Wanna know how to fix frame drops in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now there are various ways and reasons your frame drops can happen and how to fix it. So the first and the most obvious one is simply turning off or just lowering the graphics. So for that, just simply head towards settings, that is on the bottom right. Just simply select this arrow icon. On the top, select settings. Now head towards graphics, and once you're there, just simply select better frame rate under graphics preferences, or if you're under customize, just simply head towards power saving on frame rate and graphics, make it smooth. And once that is done, just simply select apply, and then your settings will be applied. Next thing, you can also free up RAMs. So before opening PUBG Mobile, just simply close all background apps before starting. Now if your phone also has built-in game booster, make sure to turn it on. It helps a lot. Also, keep your phone cool. Avoid charging your phone and use it in a cool temperatured room. And that's it. If you are still lagging, you can just simply reinstall the game or clear cache to remove leftover update junk. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.